Got one of these Nintendo GameCubes. Thought I'd make a quick little video about it. Like you can see, is all busted up, and even the top kind of loose. I guess someone wanted some parts out of it or something and threw it in the trash. So, simple little guy here. Nothing too special. Obviously, I'm making the video showing you guys all the parts, gold, wires, all that stuff that you can pull out of this. But keep in mind that people still look for repair parts for these things. So if you do get one, don't scrap it. Obviously, scrap is the lowest form, not the lowest form, but the lowest value you'll get for anything. So keep it in mind. I don't think I'm going to keep most of this because I see there's rust and stuff in certain areas, so I'm pretty sure some of the important key parts don't work. But I'm sure some of the other ones do, so I might take a risk on some of the parts and sell them and see what happens. But definitely not the motherboard. So, like something like this might be useful for someone. If they have broken casings and stuff.